Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify in the bell icon if there is new update. In this video, I will demonstrate on how to add employee share percentage on self-service PHIC share. First, log your user credentials. For instance, my user ID and password. Navigate to menu and select PHIC share in my other payroll. Click employee share percentage, but you can also navigate to main page expandable menu buttons. To navigate, click my other payroll. PHIC share drop-down list will be visible and select employee share percentage to continue. And wait for the page to respond and you redirected to the employee share percentage will appear. How to add employee share percentage, regular, casual, and job order. Select medical regular. To add employee share percentage, in main page, before to continue select the department, and select department, hospitals. To add employee share percentage, in main page before clicking the add button. To continue, click add button. To continue to add new record page, select employee name, drop-down list, for you to select the specific employee. Take note, all fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field if you click Save button without inputting values in any field. Input values specifically in all required fields. If you want to save application, click Save button. To save information, a pop-up confirmation window will appear that your record has been successfully saved. Click OK button for you to continue. How to edit applied employee share percentage application. Click Edit button for you to edit information. Select specific record on the table grid below. To input or replace values in all required fields, click Edit button. To update information, repeat Step 1. To continue, to edit information, and click Save button. If you want save updated information, click OK button for you to continue. And go back to the employee share percentage page. How to delete applied employee share percentage application. While on the main page of employee share percentage, select Delete button for you to delete information. Click Delete button if you want to delete applied application. Click OK button if you want to delete information. Take note, once you click the Delete button, expected no pop-up window will appear that the main page have no data found, and the selected data is not displayed on the table grid below. If no data added on table grid below, repeat all steps on how to add employee share percentage. Take note too, same process is being applied on adding PHIC share, even if it is medical or non-medical for regular, casual, and job order employees. Same also for other hospitals. Thank you for watching.